Papa?
What is going on? I hereby challenge you.
You're challenging him?
Tomorrow morning, the Academy training grounds.
Just hold on a second. This is so sudden.
Oh, and if you can manage to hit me just one time, then you will win. You did not run away from this challenge. I will not go easy. There.
So many people watching.
What the?
Those movements, they're from...
His moves are so erratic, I cannot read them clearly.